How to delete Roblox account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no option or feature to delete the Roblox account using the app. That's why we will be using an alternative method, and it goes like this. Go ahead and open up any browser you have, and once you do that, search for Roblox support. Then click on the first result. Once you are here, what we will basically do is we will contact the Roblox support team asking them to delete and remove our account. Now on this page right here you will have two sections. The first section is the contact information section, in which you will need to enter your username and first name optionally, but I recommend you to do so. And the second step is to enter your email address and confirm it. Once you are done with that, let's move on to the second section. Now the second section is the issue details, and as you can see it has the first drop down that says what device are you having the problem on. Just click on this drop down right here and choose any device you are using Roblox on. For example, I will choose Android phone. Now the second drop down is to select the type of health category. So click on that drop down and scroll all the way down and click on the last option that says data privacy requests. As soon as you do that, you will see that there are another drop down that have just appeared. Click on it, and here you will choose other privacy request. And the last step is to describe the issue. So here what you need to do is you need to write to the Roblox support team that you want them to remove your account and delete it permanently, and you also want to give them few reasons as to why you want to do that. To each person his own reasons, explain it well, and as soon as you're done, click on submit. And after a while, maybe it will take few business days, they will get back to you to resolve your issue. It's that easy and simple, and it's the only way to do so as of right now. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove your Roblox account and delete it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.